Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. Yes guys, today in this video we are going to learn something new, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and state-of-the-art contact manager app using react.js and React Context API as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and state of the art contact manager app using react.js and React Context API as well. So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this tutorial with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and React Context API as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, contact manager using React Context API. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are also going to learn that what is React Context API and how to use React Context API to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and scalable React application. And using the concept of React Context API, we are going to create this awesome, cool and dynamic contact manager here in this video, in this tutorial with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, below we can see here add contact form also with 3 input fields, namely name, email and phone number. Okay, and below we can see here one button also, add contact. Okay, so guys, in order to add contact, first of all we have to fill these input fields, name, email and phone number. Then we will be able to add the contact. Okay, so this is the contact list. We will be able to see the entire contact, the entire data or record here below this contact list. Okay, so as of now we don't have any single element or data or record in our contact manager app, so that's why we will be able to see here the default text also, no contacts yet. Okay, as soon as guys we will be having at least one element, one record or one data in our contact manager app, we won't be able to see this default text, no contacts yet. Okay, so guys, now very quickly I'm going to add a few record, I'm going to add a few data. Okay, so let me just say here the first data I'm going to add, which is web developer. Okay, so this is the dummy or the random email address, and this is the dummy or the random phone number. It is not linked or it is not related to any person who is dead or alive. I have just used this dummy data, dummy information, just to give you the demo, just to explain you the things. Okay, so just choose this number and now we have to click this button, add contact, in order to add this data in our contact manager app. Okay, so click it now, add contact. So see, boom guys, we can see here now data is now added, and this is the ant design UI. Okay, notification. Okay guys, this is the ant design UI notification. I have used here ant design notification as well to show you the like to give you the information that your data have been saved successfully. Okay, so this is the name of the user, web developer, contact saved now, web developer. So this is going to remove, this is going to vanish after 5 seconds. Okay, so let it be here, and now we can see here the record is now added. It is now saved inside our contact manager app, and now we won't be able to see that default text no contacts yet. Okay, so this is the name web developer, this is the email address, and this is the phone number, and below we can see here two buttons also, delete, delete and view. Okay, so guys, whenever you will click this view button, you are going to see the entire details about this particular user in a nice and dynamic and design modal as well. Okay, so I'm going to see this details in a nice and dynamic modal as well. So click the button view. So see, boom guys, this is the name, this is the email, and this is the phone. So guys, you will be able to close this modal or pop up in 3 ways: by clicking anywhere, on this gray area, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking this OK button as well. So now I'm going to add a few contacts. Okay, very quickly. Prabhat Pandit, let's just choose this email address, and let's just choose this number and click the button add contact. So now this is notification Prabhat Pandit, and here is the data or record already saved now. So now just add here Priya Kumari Sharma, choose any email address priya@dummy.com, and give here any random number like this, hit the button add contact. So now you can see here Priya Kumari Sharma is now saved, and here is the details, here is the record Priya Kumari Sharma. This is the name, email and phone number with two buttons also, delete and view, to delete the record and to view the record. Okay, so this is the name, email and phone number, click OK. And now I'm going to add a few more contacts. I just say here Deepak Sharma, let's just say here deepak@gmail.com, and give here any random number like this, add contact. So now Deepak Sharma is now saved. Here is the Deepak Sharma record, name is Deepak Sharma, email address is this, and phone number is this, with two buttons also, delete and view. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to view the details of this user Deepak Sharma. Click the button view details. So here is the nice and dynamic modal. So name is Deepak Sharma, email address is this, and phone number is this, click OK. This Priya Kumari Sharma, view buttons. Okay, so name is Priya Kumari Sharma, email address is this, and phone number is this, click OK. So this Prabhat Pandit, view. So this is the name, email and phone number, click OK. And this web developer, okay, so name is web developer, email address is this, and phone number is this, click OK. And now I'm going to delete the record one by one. Okay, so click the button delete to delete the record. Okay, so click it now. So see, boom guys, every time you will try to delete any record or data, it is going to ask you for your permission, it is going to ask you for your confirmation. If you will give the permission, then only it will delete the data, otherwise it will not delete the data. Your data will be safe. Okay, so I'm going to click this cancel button now. So now you can see here your data is now safe, click OK. And now I'm going to actually delete it. So delete, are you sure you want to delete this contact? Yes, so click OK. Contact deleted successfully, click OK. So web developer is now gone. I'm going to remove this data, Prabhat Pandit. So delete, are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click OK. So now contact deleted successfully, click OK. So now I'm going to remove this Deepak Sharma details. Okay, so let's just delete it, click OK. So now contact deleted successfully, click OK. So now this is the last record, this is the last data, Priya Kumari Sharma. So delete this also. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? Click OK. So now contact deleted successfully. So now see, we will be again able to see this no contact yet default text. Let me just add a few contacts very quickly. I'll just say here Deepak Sharma, and let's just give here email address as well. Okay, deepak@gmail.com, and this phone number, random phone number like this, add contact. So contact now saved, Priya Kumari, and say here Priya @dummy.com, and give here any contact number, random number, add contact. So now contact now saved, Priya Kumari, contact saved, Priya Kumari. So view details, click OK. View details, click OK. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionalities of this contact manager app I have built using purely react.js and the concept of react context API. So guys, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn, we are going to know that how to create this kind of dynamic and cool and scalable contact manager app using React and the technique of context API with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I upload the new video in the playlist. So please guys, you have to do four things for me here. First of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and first and second, you have to press the bell icon also, and third, you have to like this video also, which is going to give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development as well. And guys, fourth, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, please guys, okay, do these four things for me. Subscribe now, press the bell icon also, and do like this video also, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group also. So please guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. So please guys, don't broke my trust also. So please guys, okay, please, okay, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. So please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER, please. Guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing now my this channel code with ER. So please guys, promote me and please support me. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now my this channel code with ER. So please, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, I hope you will do that now. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn this contact manager app using React and the concept of React Context API with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, I hope guys, you are now thrilled, you are now excited to learn to create this contact manager app with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use here the VS Code editor to write my code. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, I'm going to use here VS Code editor. Okay, so let's just open this. I'm going to create here the first file as a context provider file. So guys, now I'm going to create here the first file as a context provider file, which will be the provider file for any simple or the nested components. Okay, I'm going to create here the provider file first. So I'll just say here context provider. Okay, provider under file underscore, I'll say here 13.jsx. so save the file inside the context folder only. So click save. So this is it. I'm going to create here the context provider file. So I'll just say here import react. Okay, I'll just say here import react, not radio, I'll say here react. Okay, and I'm going to import here the create context function also. So guys, this is this create context is the function, it is not a hook. Okay, always remember that. Okay, so now export const, export const, and I'll just say here contact. Okay, contact, I'll just say here contact context, okay, equal to, I'll just say here create context like this. We can give here null. Okay, we can give here the default value as a null, or we can remove it as well. Okay, let's just give here null. Okay, this is it. Okay, no issue at all. I'm going to create here the component first. I'll just say here context provider. Okay, I'll just say here context provider. Okay, so I'll just say here context provider. Okay, like this. Okay, it can be anything, it is just a variable name. So I'll just say here, I'll just define here the component first like this. So let's just return first of all, otherwise we will forget it, and it will create a lot of issues also. So let's just say here export and default, export default and context provider component name like this. And now let's just say here so first of all, I'll just say here, okay, so use this, okay, context like this, and I'll just say here dot provider like this. So now we will just close this first. So just copy this and just close this. So guys, okay, this is the syntax. Okay guys, this is the syntax. Okay, so I will just write here syntax, and let me just say here, let me just write here comment also, just say here create context, okay, provider, okay, context, what is this guys, provider, okay, file, okay, this is it. And let me just define here what is this, okay, a dot provider all about. So gives, okay, gives access to I'll just say here to components, okay, components, okay, simple or nested components, okay, components, okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'll just say here value prop also like this. Okay, so first of all I'm going to, so guys, okay guys, let me just give you the special prop as well, which is children prop. Okay, so this is the special prop, children prop. So copy this now from here and just not like this, inside the curly braces like this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way, we have just created, we have just defined here the context provider file. Okay guys, in this way we have just created here the context provider file. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here the brand new app.jsx file. Guys, I'm going to create here the brand new app.jsx file. Okay, so I'll just create here the new file, new. Let's just copy this from here and let's just paste it here. So let me just remove this, okay, entire things first. Okay, we will create the brand new app.jsx file. Okay, so let me just, I need this class, so I need this class, cut it out from here, and as of now just paste it here, make it comment. Okay, so now let's just remove this also, and let's just remove entire things from here as well. Okay, so now let's just save this file. Okay, so now inside the src folder only, I'll just create the new app.js file. I'll say here my app. Okay, so I'll give here 100, okay, 100.jsx. so copy this file and just save it now. Okay, now save it. So guys, now let me just, okay, so guys, now we have just defined here the app.jsx file. So I'm going to register this file inside the main.jsx file. Okay, so we will guys, okay, I'm going to register this my app underscore 100.jsx file inside the main.jsx file. So go to the main.jsx file like this, and let me just paste it here, and let me just copy this. Let's just comment it out and just paste it out and just cut it out from here, and just place this. Okay, so as of now just save the file, just save the file, and now come to this file, our file app.jsx file. Okay, here, and not this, this is our file. Okay, so let me just now say here h1, and I'll just say here hello developers. Okay, hello developers. So as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, here is this text, hello developers. Let me just remove this, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the hello. So this is doing great. Okay, this is doing fine now. So now this is the provider file, our provider file. So guys, now we have to export this file. Okay guys, we have to export this file also inside the main.js file. So I'm going to import it now. So import, okay, import this context from this, okay, from this context provider file underscore 13, this context provider. Okay, so now let me just see one more time. So context provider, so context provider from this 13. Okay, this file. Okay, so this is great, copy this from here, and now just paste it here, and now just paste it here. So we have to guys wrap our entire app.js file. Okay guys, we have to wrap our entire app.js file with this context provider file. Okay, with this context provider file, like what I did here. Okay, like this what I did here. Okay, so guys, in this way we have wrapped our entire app.js file with this context provider file. Okay, so this is it. Let me just put here 3 dots and check it one more time. So it is doing great now. So this is it. Okay, let's just let it be here. So now I'm going to create here the one state variable, the counter component I'm going to create here, just to show you, just to clear you the things. Okay, so I'll just create here the counter component first. So const, I'll just say here counter, set counter, this is it. User state, so user state, and now I'll just give you the default value 0. Okay, so we have to expose this counter component now through this prop value. Okay, so guys, now in this way, guys, listen to me very carefully. We use, okay, react context API for two things. Okay, for creating the global state, okay, variables. Okay, for creating the global state variable, and for solving the problem of props drilling as well. Okay, so guys, we use react context API for two things. Okay, for creating the global state variables or the function or method, and for solving the props drilling problems as well. Okay, react props drilling problems as well. Okay, so this is the two things we use for we use context API for. Okay, so this is it. And now let me just create here the one component file as well. Okay, another component, the counter component. I'll just say here counter app underscore say here 14.jsx, save the file inside the components folder, hit save. So now let me just import here the react and react like this, and I'll just first of all I will just use here the create, okay, use context hook also. Okay, use context hook to use this. Okay, to use this context provider. Okay, to use this context provider we have to use this. Okay, use context hook also. So guys, this use context hook, okay guys, this use context hook is going to allow you to use this context provider file, okay, inside any component. Okay, inside any components. Okay, inside any components we will be able to use this context provider file by using this hook use context. Okay, by using this hook use context. Okay, so now I'll just create here the one component as well. So I'll just say here counter app underscore, okay, I'll say here 14 only, 14 only equal to, I'll use your federal function and like this. So now return first of all the things. So return create a div, and I'll just say here export, not escape, it's export default and counter app underscore 14. So just save this, close this, and now okay, and now guys, we have used here this context. Okay, so we will be able to use this context provider file inside our app component as well. So I'm going to do that now. So import and like this. Okay, we will use this context from this file. Okay, so I'll just say here context from this 13 file. Okay, this is it. So now this is it, and inside the component body only, guys, inside the component body only, guys, listen to me very carefully. Inside the component body only we have to say here like this. Okay, so const equal to use context like this, and now copy this from here and just paste it here. And now we can see here this counter state variable is a global state variable, guys. Now this counter state variable is a global state variable through this context provider file, so it will be available inside this. Okay, it will be available inside this component file as well, this counter component as well. So now I'll just copy this from here only. So copy this from here and just paste it here. And now okay, so now just give here div, close this div now, and I'll just say here h1 only. Inside h1 only I'll say here counter colon space and open and close the curly braces, copy this counter, just save it now. Okay, so guys, now we have to export this file also inside our app.js file. So I'm going to export this file also, counter app underscore 14. So import counter app underscore 14 like this. Okay, so now copy this, and I'm very sorry guys. Okay, so just save the file and just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So here is the counter. Okay, so now let me just cut this out, and I will provide here the classes. So let's just remove this. Okay, save the file, and now here is the, I'm going to remove this hello. Okay, I'm going to remove this hello now. Okay, so guys, now we can see here we have to now expose this set counter as well to increase or decrease the counter like this. Okay, so now this set counter is also now exposed. So copy this from here and come here, and now we will just paste it here. Okay, and now we will just create a button first. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to go to the deep inside this component now. I'll just show this to you and just say here increase. Okay, increase counter. Okay, and I will just say here class name btn. I'll just say here info, and on click I'll just say here I can just say here guys on click. So let's just say here copy this set counter from here, and I will just say here say here this. Okay, this +1, so every time it will be increased by 1. Set the file, have a look in the browser. So let me just refresh this. Okay, it will be given it is okay, there is the issue. So let's just cut it out from here, and let's just put here first anonymous filter function like this, and now paste it here. Okay, so now the problem is now solved. Let's just so it will take few times. Wait, let me just check on click. So button on click. Okay, so set counter. Okay, let me just check what is the issue here. Okay, so set counter. So let's just cut this out. Okay, cut this out, and let's just dispose this also, and open a new terminal. And first of all, let's just remove this. Okay, this method. Now let's just cut it out from here. Set the file and cd and npm run dev, hit enter, and now it will give the url, localhost url. So yeah, counter is here, so let's just paste it now. Okay, so set counter. Yeah, so we can see here now the counter is being increased. Okay, so now we can see here we don't have any issue. If we want, we can decrease the counter also. So let's just minus, save the file, and now we can decrease the counter. Okay, so this is it. It is doing great. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to show you or teach you how to create the counter component. Let's just delete this. Okay, or let it be, okay, let's just control. Okay, let it be here. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'm going to create here the form first. Very quickly, I'm going to create here the form. Okay, I'm going to create here the contact form. I'll just say here contact form. I'll just say here underscore 20 .jsx. Set the file inside the component only. Okay, so hit save now. Let's just import react first. So this is it, and let's just import here the useState hook also. useState, this is it. Okay, and now let me just create here the const component also very quickly. Contact form underscore, I'll just say here 20 only, equal to, I'll use here the anonymous filter function like this, and now return. So create a div, give the class name also, and close this div now. So first of all, let's just export this. So export default and contact form underscore 20. I'll just paste it here, and now just say here my class, this is it. I'm not going to create here any classes. I'm going to just create here the form first. So form, let's just close this form very quickly. Okay, and let's just give you the classes. So class, now I'll just say here container, and padding 3 also. I'll just give here the, I can give here rounded, and I'll just say here shadow. Okay, shadow lg, and so let's just open this, and I'll just say here border. Okay, border. This is it. So let's just now I'm going to create here. First of all, I'm going to create here the div. Now give the class also row and g3 for gap 3. Close this div now, and I'm going to create the div again. I'll give the classes also. I'll just close this div now. I'll just say here call md. Okay, call md4 just now. Okay, so just now open this div, and I'm going to create here another div. I'll just say here div. Okay, I'll just give the class, close this first. I'll just say here input group. Okay, input group. Okay, just this. And now I'm going to create here the input first. So input, and I'll give you the type also text. I'll give the name property as well. Name equal to name. I'll just give you a placeholder and name. Very quickly I'll create this form. Okay, and I'll just give you the class name also. Dynamically I'll give the class using the backtick. I'll just say here form. Okay, form control. This is it. Okay, so guys, as of now guys, just to save this file and come here inside the main app.js file. We have to export this file as well. So let's say here import context. Okay, not import context form 20 from this. Okay, from this file. Okay, so now just copy this, and now this is the form component, so paste it here. Okay, so just now, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So here is the okay, here is our okay form. So let's just come here to the form now, and now we will just first of all, let's just create here one state variable also. So const, I'll just say here form. Okay, data. I'll just say here set. Okay, set form data equal to useState. I'll just create the object. Okay, close this. So I'll just say here name. Okay, give empty. Just say here email. Okay, email. Just now give here comma again. I'll just say here phone. Okay, so phone, give comma. This is it. Okay, so now let's just now I will just give you a value now. So I'll just say here value. Okay, value equal to this form data dot name, email and phone. Okay, so let's just say here value dot form dot name like this. And now I'll just say here on change also. Just say here handle change like this. Okay, so we will define this first method now. So I'll just say here const. Okay, const like this, and this, give here the event okay object as well. So event, and now first of all, let's just what we will do here, we will just say here we will just keep this. Okay, we will just keep this first. So copy this. Okay, here is the equal to missing. Okay, so now give here this 3 dots. So guys, this is known as the this is known as the spread operator. Okay guys, this is known as the spread operator. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. This is known as the spread operator. Okay, so guys, just give me a few seconds only just to breathe some fresh air. Okay, so I'm very sorry. So just give you a comma, and now we will just say here. So let's just we are setting this. So say here set. Okay, copy this and just paste it here. And now we will just say here set form data like this. And now we will just keep this. Okay, form data the previous value also. So 3 dots and give comma here, and we will just say here event dot target dot value colon, you will just say here event, okay, dot target dot event dot target dot is not value, here is name, okay, so it's name, and here we will just give you a value, okay, like this, okay, like this. So now this is the guys, okay, this is known as the key value pair, okay, key and value pair, okay, key value pair, okay, this is it, okay guys, this is it, okay. So just copy this handle change, and now first of all I'll just okay, so copy this and just paste it 3 times also. So we just make it, okay, number or tell. So I'll just say here it's tell, and it's a type of tell, and just give your phone, okay, give your phone, because we have given here phone, okay, like this. So I'll just say here form data dot, okay, form data dot phone, like this. I'll just say here enter phone, enter phone, and this is it, no issue at all. So save the file and come up. So this is the email, so email, and enter email, okay. So I'll just say here email, like this, and it just say here name equal to email as well, okay. So email, okay. So guys, this name, okay, this event dot target dot name, okay, which means this input field with the name, which means this input field, and which means this input field as well, okay. As of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So here is the 3 input fields, okay. So like this, let me just now I'll just say here dollar underscore, okay. So we will check first, so we will check first equal to, if it is empty, we will just say here, okay, is, okay, is invalid, okay, invalid, otherwise we will apply here nothing. Save the class or the file and have a look in the browser first. So here it is, okay. So this is doing great. So let's just copy this, and now paste it here as well, okay. Instead of phone we will say here so instead of phone we will say here the email, okay. Save the file. So here is the email also, and save here also, remove one, and instead of phone we will say here name. So save the file, and now we can see here, here's the, okay. So this is now green, this is now green, and this is now green, okay. This is it. So let's just now I'll just say here margin top 5, save the file. This looks cool. Now let's just create a button first, so let's just let's just create here only, no issue at all. So button, let's just remove this button first, create a div, okay, and give classes also margin top 5, margin bottom also 5, and now create button. So button, and button we have to give here the type submit, so type would be submit, okay. And now I'll just say here add contact, this is it. So give the classes also btn, I'll just say here success. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the button. So let me just remove this little bit space, so give here 3 also, this is it. So now let's just make it 4, okay. So this is cool also. So you can see here it is now refreshing the page, okay. You can see here, not don't go to Google, okay. So let's just see, okay. So it is going to refresh the page. So what we will do here, we will just say here on submit, on submit we will create here handle submit, okay, submit form, okay. So copy this, and now just say here const, not continue, it's const, okay, like this, and give equal to now just close this, and let's just put here event object also. So this is going to prevent the default behavior of the form. So event dot prevent default, like this. Okay, so now just save the file and remove this, and now refresh the page, hit enter. Okay, so this is cool now. Okay, this is cool. Let me just remove this counter component. As of now, just comment this out, we don't need this counter component. So now let me just come here to the contact form also. Okay, and now we will just say here h2, say here add contact form, set the file, so it is outside, I need it inside the form. So here is the add contact form, and let's just say here mark classes also margin top 2, margin bottom also 2. Okay, so let's just say here margin. Okay, this looks cool now. Add contact form is here now, in name, email and phone number. Okay, so once it is now green, it is now green, and it is now green also. Okay, this is it. So now first of all we will check here. So on some handle submit form, we will first of all we will check. Okay, first of all we will check here. So I'll say here if okay does not equal to form data dot name or does not equal to form data dot email, okay, or does not equal to form data dot number. Okay, if it's not number, it's phone. Okay, if it is blank, okay, I'll just say here alert, say here please fill all the fields. Okay, and just return now, return. Okay, save the file and have a look in the browser first. So hit the button, refresh the page first. Okay, now hit the button add contact. So here is the alert, please fill all the fields. Okay, so click OK, and now we will just say here if guys, suppose okay, if the form is now filled. Okay, suppose user has filled something into the form. Okay, suppose guys user has okay filled the form, then we will just grab this. Okay, we will just grab this. So let me just first of all I'll just say here console, I'll just console.log to show you. Okay, so close this, not okay, and now we will just say here I will make this form data as an object. Okay, so copy this form data and just paste it here. As of now just save the file. Okay, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Go to the developer tools, go to the console. Okay, so go to the console, refresh the page first. Okay, and now hit, so please fill all the fields. Now say here web developer, so this email address and any phone number, click the button add contact. So here is the object guys, you can see here is the object, email is this, okay, name is this and phone number is this. Let's just make it now, okay, 100, and let's just say here pin2@yahoo.com. okay, and instead of this let's just put here 99999. okay, like this, and hit add contact. So here is the another object. So here is the web developer 100 pin2@yahoo.com, and a phone number is this. Okay, so this is doing great, this is doing great, no issue at all. Okay, this is doing great, no issue at all. So guys, now just come to the provider file. Okay, I'm going to create a function first. So I'll just create here another state variable first. So I'll just say here const, I'll just say here context, I'll just say here set, okay, set context and useState, and let's just make it a array. So this is the blank or the empty array. So I'm going to create the function first. So I'll just say here const add, okay, add contact, okay, add contact like this, and just let's just say here contact. Okay, contact like this, and now copy this. Okay, so come here. Okay, to this set context. Okay, to come here guys. Okay, to this set context. So now what we will do here, so copy this. Okay, so copy this set context. So copy this, and now just paste it here, and now so we will just say here, I can guys use here the recent value also. I'll just say here uh, prev. Okay, prev prev contact. Okay, prev contact. Okay, prev contact like this, and now I just say here, mm, I can use here like this. Okay, so let's just save this prev context first. So dollar sign, and now we will create here the another object. I'll just create here the id. I'll just say here date. Okay, date dot now, date dot now. It is going to create the new, okay, id every time, and now give comma, and we will just save this contact also. Okay, this. Okay, this input field value, like like name, email or phone number. Okay, like name, email or phone number. Okay, so come here, there is issue here, so there will be issue only. Okay, so let's just cut it out, and okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. So or just cut it out, and just remove this. I'm little, okay, so this is really like confusing also. So let's just remove this, and just now. Okay, so in this way we are creating the object. Okay, in this way we are creating the object. So I'll just say here keep, okay, all the old data, and I'll just say here add, okay, add new data. Okay, or records. Okay, this is it. So guys, this is it. Just save the file, and now we have to expose this also, add contact also, but we have to expose this now. So just now put comma and expose this also. So now just copy this add contact. Okay, and come to this form component. Now we will just import this now. So now we will just use here the use context. Okay, hook also, use context. Okay, hook also, to use this. Okay, to use this context provider file. Okay, to use this context provider file, we will use the use context hook. Okay, so now import, so like this contact from this file like this. So now inside the component body only, guys, we will say here const, and not this, equal to use context. And now first of all let's just so let's just say here like this. Okay, and now copy this add contact. This is the function, and we have just exposed this. Okay, so now it will be available inside this form component as well here. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so now just copy this, and here we will use it here. Okay, inside this function we will use this, and we will set it with this form data. Okay, because this is the name, email address and phone number. Okay, so like this, okay, so like this. And now we will use here the I mean, what can I say, the what can I say guys, the I mean anti-design notification as well. Okay, anti-design notification as well. Okay, so import, okay, in notification from ant like this. okay, like this, okay, like this. So now inside the component only, we will just create here the not continuous const, okay, and I'll just say here API. I'll just say here mm, uh, context holder equal to, I'll just say here notification dot, I'll just say here notification dot use notification, okay, from this ant design, okay, from this ant design. So from this ant design, so now copy this, and now okay, so let's just put it here. So let's just put it here, and let's just cut it out from here and paste it here, okay. So now, as of now, just save the file, okay, and now copy this API, and here after the saving, we will just say here API dot success notification, okay, success notification they're going to create, okay, like this. So close this, and now we will just say here message. I'll just say here dollar, so form data, okay guys, this form data, okay, this form data. So this form data dot name, to show the name, okay, to show the name, and just put here comma, and I'll just say here description like this, and again I'll use here the contact saved, and dollar sign. Again I'll just say here form data dot name, okay, form data dot name, put comma, I'll just say here what guys, I can say here placement also, okay, placement I'll give here top, okay, placement I'll give you a top, okay. So as of now guys, just set the file and have a look in the browser first how it is going to behave. Set the file, have a look in the browser. So now you can see here we got the alert, and now just put here web developer and this email address and this phone number, hit add contact. So see web developer is now saved, okay. So now, okay, so let me just, as of now so this is the available here. So copy this, let me just show you how many length. I will just show you the length only. I'll just show you the length only here. So I'll just say here dot length, okay. So save the file, and here is the one, okay. So here is the one. So let me just remove this. So here is the so here is the length one, okay. So because we are getting here one only because okay we have just preserve here. So let me just now, so okay. So guys, in this way we will create our form. Now we will show the data now, okay, we will show the data now. So let me just now I'll just create here one thing also. So I'll just say here import, okay, and I'll just say here far user I'll just say here far, okay, far mail bulk also, and far, I'll just say here far phone as well, okay, far phone. So copy this user, and now inside the input group we'll get here div, another div, and just say here say here, what can I say here? I can say here the I can say here, let's just create here a span element, okay, let's just create here a span element. So span, and close this span now, and I'll just give the classes also input group text, okay, and just now paste this component, save the file, have a look at the browser. So here is the icon now. So copy this, and to be little faster we will okay do like this, okay. So just now, so copy this phone, and go down, go down, go down. So this is the phone, paste it here, and copy this farm mail bulk and paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the icon, phone icon, here is the mail icon, and here is the user icon. Okay, so let's just remove this, we don't need this. Okay, so as of now just save the file, and now we will create here the another component. I'm going to create here the another component. So now I'll create here the another component, so remove this counter component. Now I'm going to create the, here the another component. So now, so I'll just say here const, I'll just say here what can I say, guys, say here say here contact, okay, contact lists, okay, contact user, okay, user lists, okay, lists dot jsx, save the file inside the components only, save. And now let's just say here import react, this is it. Okay, and now let's just say here const, okay, I'll just say here contact user lists, okay, equal to, and return, and just close this div now, close this div, this is it. And first of all export default contact user lists, save the file. And now, okay, we will just use here the hook also, use context. We know why, okay, we all know why. Okay, I'm not going to explain you again and again. Okay, so import, I'll just say here contact context, okay, from this file, this is it. So inside the component body only, inside the component body only, okay, although we don't need here anything, but let's just be here. So just provide here the object also, contact object. Now I'm going to provide here this, okay, contact object. Now this is it. So now, okay, so guys give me, okay, give me guys, okay, a few seconds only just to breathe in. So okay, so guys, now let's get just started now. So class, I'll give here a call lg, I'll give here 3, and now I'll just now give here another div. So create a div and close this div now. So now I'll just give you the classes also. So I can give here classes, say here any classes, say here my class. Okay, so open this div now, and now give here the, okay, let's just say here remove this my classes. I can give here card, and I can give here p4 also, and I can give you mb4 as well. Okay, this is it. So now I'll just say here span. So let's just, as of now, just create here the span only, and let it be only span, and just close this span now. Okay, we don't need right now, we will need it later on. Okay, as of now let it be. Okay, so now now inside this div only, we will create here another div. So create here another div. So now I can give here the p. So p, I can give here the I can give here strong. Okay, so I can give here strong, and let's just close this strong. Okay, and I can give here name text also. And now I told you this is the object, so I'll just say here, okay, this contact dot name. Okay, so now let's just copy this p and paste it couple of times only. So instead of name, I'll just say here email, and now I'll just say here phone. Okay, so now I'll just say here email, and now I'll just say here dot phone. Okay, dot phone. This is it. Save the file. So now, as of now guys, just save the file, and we have to create here another component. So let me just okay, so let me just create here another component first. Okay, so let's just now create here another function. So let's just say here const, okay, const. So let's just remove this first, and now come here. So I want to see the name of the user. So let's just create here button first. So button, and say here see, or say here, let's just say here see details only, details. Okay, see details only. Okay, so class btn, btn, let's just say here info. Okay, btn info, and on click, on click. So we will just say here on click. Okay, and now I can just say here, so say here see see details, and pass this entire object. Okay, entire object. And now just to copy this. Okay, just to copy this and come to this context provider file. So now just say here const and paste it here. So equal to like this, and okay, so alert, say here contact, this contact dot name. Okay, so now we will just expose this now, see details. So comma, okay, so just save the file and come here. So now we have used here this, okay, context. So now we will be able to use it now. So const, okay, and like this equal to use context, and just context like this. Save the file. Okay, as of now just save the file, and as of now just save the file guys. Okay, and now create another component. I'm going to create here another component. Okay guys, I'm going to create here another component first. So now I'm going to create here guys another component. Okay, let me just give okay a few seconds. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here another component. So I'll just say here contact lists. Okay, dot jsx. Say here instead of list, say here 12.jsx. Okay, so save the file inside the component folder only. Hit save. So let's just remove this. So import react, and now I'll use here the use context hook also. So use context. Okay, and now let's just import context from this 13 file. This is it. And now let's just create here the another component. So const, I'll just say here contact lists. Okay, contact lists equal to, I'll just say here file function like this, and just now I'll just say here const equal to use context like this. So context, okay, like this. And now we will use this, okay, contacts from here, from this, okay, this what can I say, where is the contact? So let's just export this contacts also. So let's just paste it here and save the file. So copy this context from here and come here, and just now paste it here. Okay, so now it will be available in here also, no issue at all. Okay, so now we will just say here return. So return, and now create a div first. I'm going to create a div first. So create a div, give the classes also. So close this div now, I'll just say here container, open this div now, and I'll just say here h2 and h2 now. So now first of all guys, let me just import this contact. Okay, contact user lists. Okay, contact user list from this contact user list. So let me just import it now. So I'll just say here import contact user lists. Okay, from this file here, from this file. Okay, from this file. Okay, so now we will just say here class name also, and I'll just say here I can say here what class I can give here. Font weight I'll give you bold, and I can just say here MB4 I can give you display 4 also, and I can say here contact list. Okay, contact list, this is it. So now below this h2 I'll just say here okay this context. Okay, this contact, because this is the array, I told you this is the array. You can see here this context is now the array, so it will have the length property as well. So dot okay length, okay, dot length. Okay, if equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, so now we will just say here like this, otherwise we will say here like this. So this is known as the ternary operator. Okay, and I'll just say here p close this p now, and I'll just say here classes also. I can give here classes also. I can give here classes. Okay, so I'll just say here text center, and I can give here the okay font weight bold also. I can say here no contacts. Okay, no contacts yet, no contacts yet. Otherwise I'll just create here a div now. Otherwise I'll just create a div now. Okay, now a div I'll create here. So I can just say here the div. So just to close this div now, and now just give you the classes also. I can give you a row, and I can give you a justify content center, and just inside this div I'm going to create here the map method now. So I'll just say here this context. Okay, this context okay, this context dot map like this, and like this, and like this. So now we will just say here, so I can give here the item, and now we will just use this okay component, which is this component. Okay, which is this component. I have shown here name, email, and phone number. So I have just exported it also. So copy this, and now okay, so just and you can see here it is going to take here one okay props also, this contact prop also. So copy this contact prop from here, and we will just provide it now value, so like this. So just give here this item. Okay, this item, and I'll just give you the key prop as well. Okay, I can give you a key. Okay, item, this item dot id. Okay, this item dot id. So now export default and contact list, just paste it here. So now we will just import this contact list. Okay, we will just import this contact list here inside the main component, which is the app.js component. So okay, I just say here contact list from this 12 file. This is it. So copy this from here, and now just paste it here. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so here is the contact list. So let's just put here any data now. So here is the data, guys. Okay, so guys, now we are getting the data. See, boom, guys, we are getting the data now. So let's just add one more list. Okay, so let's just make here 12 or 11. Let's just remove this and give here anything like this. Okay, let's just change the data and now just add contact. So here is the add contact and we can see the notification also. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to create here buttons now. So come here, so now cut it out, this button, create a div, create a div now. Say here div flex justify content bit bin. Okay, so paste it here and copy this button and paste it one more time, save the file, and here is the button. So now I'll just say here make it okay, delete, say here delete and see details. Okay, so let's just remove this. We will create here delete, say here delete. Okay, say here delete data. Okay, delete data. So we will provide here the id. I'll just say here contact.id. okay, contact.id. So copy this and come now to the provider component file. So now below this const, paste it, so give equal to and like this. So say here id only, this is it. Okay, as of now just save the file, come here, save this file also, save this file also, and now here is the delete. Let's just make it danger, let's just make it danger, and let's just make it let it be info only. So now here is the danger. Okay, so now we will define the delete method, guys. Okay, so guys now we will define the delete method. Okay guys, now I'm going to define here the delete method very quickly. So just now come to the code and now we will define the delete method. Okay, I'm sorry guys, so let me just give you a few seconds. So come here, so now we will define this delete method now. So now we will just check. Okay, so we will just use here the javascript. Okay, confirmation alert. So I'll just say here window. Okay, for the global access window dot confirm, dot confirm, and we'll just say here are you sure, are you sure you want to delete the records. Okay, record. So now if user will press ok or cancel, so we will just accordingly do the things. Okay, so now we will just say here set context. Okay, set context. So set context. So let's just create here the const first. Just say here deleted data. Okay, deleted data data equal to, I'll just say here deleted data, I'll just say here I can just say here guys. Okay, so so this context, so this context. Okay, so this context, this context dot filter, this context dot filter, and now give here c. I'll use here the filter function. Okay, so if c dot id does not equal to this id. Okay, this id, so does not equal to this id. So if this is the case, so now we will just say here okay, set context, set context, and now deleted data. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, and if this is okay, if user has pressed the ok button, so now again we will alert, again we will alert that your data is now deleted. Okay, I'll just say here your data is now deleted. okay, permanently, okay, permanently, okay. Otherwise, otherwise otherwise we will say here, okay. So if, so this is the if block, okay. So cut it out from here only and just paste it out here. And now we will just say here else, else block. I'll just say here, paste it here, and we'll just say here your data is safe now, okay. Your data is safe now, okay. So as of now, just test it now. So just copy this and we have to just expose this also. So just make it multi-line, make it multi-line, paste it here. So now just save the file and save this file also, and save this file also, and save this app.js file also, and have a look in the browser. So now delete any record. So let's just check what is the issue here. I don't there is an issue here. So there is the issue here. Let's just refresh the page first one more time, okay. And now add one contact, add one contact, add contact. So contact added, delete it. So we got the issue here. Go to the error. So delete data is not defined, okay. Delete data is not defined, delete data, it is saying, okay, it is saying, okay, this delete data, okay, this delete data. So come here, okay, okay, we have to use it first, guys, here. So now just save the file and have a look in the browser. Now delete it. Are you sure? You guys, you can see here it is going to now ask, are you sure you want to delete the record? Click OK. Your record is deleted permanently. So see, boom, guys, now it is gone. It is gone, guys, it is gone, okay. So we don't have any issue, the data is doing great, okay. So add contact, contact added, delete it now. Are you sure you want to delete the record? Click cancel. Your data is now safe, click OK. It is here now, delete it now. So click OK. Now your data is now deleted permanently, click OK. So see, boom, guys, now the data is now gone. Add one more, add few details very quickly. So see, now it is now added. Now I'm going to delete this record. So delete it now, it's gone. Delete it now, it's gone. Delete this, okay. So let's just give you a 1, add contact. Let's just give you 2, add contact. Let's just give you 3, add contact. And now I'm going to remove this one data, web developer 1, delete it now, click OK. So 1 is gone, we just have 2 here and 3 here. Delete this 3 now, click OK. So click OK. So now we just have here 2 here, 3 is now gone. Delete this 2 also, click OK. So now boom, guys, now it is now gone. It is doing great. We can remove all the data very quickly. It is doing great. I'm very sorry. Click OK, click OK, click OK, and click OK, okay. So okay, so guys, now first of all I will just create here another, now the okay. So you can see here this is very simple. We have just, okay, deleted first, and we have just now updated this set context, okay, state variable using this delete data variable, okay. And we have just alerted it now, okay. If there is a cancel button, we will show this alert as well, okay. So this is it. So now I'll just create here the modal now. So go to the ant design. So go to the ant design. So guys, go to the ant design, go to the components, and go to the modal only, go to the modal. So where is the modal, guys? Modal component is here. Open this. So copy this, we just need this modal component, so minimize this, and now here only, okay, here. So just save the file, and now we will just use this modal, vertically center modal. Okay, so open this, go to the JavaScript, and come down, copy this modal data from here to here, this modal code, and just paste it here. Okay, and let's just fix this, and now we will create here two extra state variable. We will create here two extra state variable. I just say here const, okay, const modal data, and set modal data equal to useState, and let's just create here empty object, and now const, and just say here open modal, and set open modal as well, and equal to useState, and as of now just give you the default value as a false. This is it. So we have to expose this, okay, data now. So now we will just expose this through here, through this value prop. So this will be the global state variable now. So now just and copy this also, and we will just expose this also. So now this is it. So copy this entire things from here, and as of now just save the file, come here, okay, come here, and we will just grab this here first, like this. Okay, so save the file, copy this open modal state variable, and just paste it here, and now copy this, okay, set open modal, copy this from here, and just replace with this, as of now. Just save the file and have a look in the browser. So we don't have any issue, we don't have any problem. Okay, no issue at all. So now let's just come here, and we will just say here modal data, come here. Just now we will just set it with this entire contact object, okay, like this, and now copy this open modal state variable from here, and just now paste it here, and just say here true. So save the file. As of now just remove this alert, we don't need this alert now. Okay, and come here, and now save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now refresh the page one more time and add few contacts very quickly. So add contact, and now we can see the notification now, see details. So see, boom guys, boom. Now we can see here the modal is now being open. So now just close this, and now we will just use this, okay, modal data, and now just remove this, and we will just say here I'll use here the optional chaining operator. Okay, I'll use here the optional chaining operator, and I'll just show here the name. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So see details, here is the name, web developer, click OK, let's just make it 100, and save contact, and now contact saved, see details, here is the web developer 100, click OK. So now this is doing great. Okay, this is doing great now. Okay, so now just now we will just use the icon also from React only. So import okay, for user, and for I'll say here phone, far phone. I'll just say here far mail bulk. Okay, this is it. So just copy this file user component from here, and just now inside this p, just save this, and I'll just say here colon. I'll just say here modal data. Okay, modal data option chaining operator dot name. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So see, boom guys, here is the I'll just say here name. So here is the name. This looks cool, but let's just put it inside the strong element. Okay, strong element. Save the file. So this looks cool now. Okay, so copy this entire things, and just replace here also, and replace here also, and instead of okay, so copy this also and just paste it here, and just paste it here. Instead of user, we will far phone to show the phone, and far email mail bulk to show the mail icon. Okay, not entire things, far mail bulk only. So just paste it here, and I'll just say here email. I'll just say here phone, say here name, say here email, and I'm sorry, say here phone. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the phone, email, and this. Okay, click OK. So web developer, click OK. Let's just okay. So guys, let's just now come here, contact form, and now we will just use this set form data. Okay, set form data, and now we will just say here, okay, like this. Now this and name. So this reset the form. Okay, it is going to reset the form. It is going to reset the form now. So like this, and phone also like this. So this will reset the form. Okay, so now see, form is now reset. Click OK. Let's just add here Priya Kumari Sharma. See here priya@dummy.com, and phone number this. Okay, and add contact. So now contact added. So see details also. So see, boom guys, name is okay, Priya Kumari Sharma, this and this. Okay, so let's just now I will just do here one thing first. I'll just create another function. So function, I'll just say here capitalize. Okay, capitalize. Okay, text, just say here str. Okay, str equal to like this, and now we will just use here. Okay, so say here return. I just say here return, and I'll just say here str dot split. Okay, split like this, and dot. Okay, so now just use here split, and I'm going to guys, okay, capitalize the things. Okay, I'm going to capitalize the things. Okay, I'll just say here dot map, not map, like this, and I'll just say here I can give here the txt also like this, and like a filter function I'll use here. Okay, and like this. So I can just say here txt. Okay, say here text only. Say here text dot char at. Okay, char at 0 char at 0 dot, I'll just say here to upper uppercase, okay, to uppercase. And now class, I'll just say here text, let's just remove this, okay. So I'll just say here text dot I'll just say here slice to the string 1 2, I'll just say here to lowercase, okay, to lowercase, okay, this is it. And now I'll just say here dot join, okay, dot join. So just like this, okay, just like this. So there is the issue here, but there is no issue at all, okay, no issue at all, but there is issue here. So let's just resolve this. So cut this out and paste it here like this, okay. So let me check here what is the issue. Cut it out from here, okay, and let's just first see what is the issue. So there is let me just check, this is the fat arrow. What is the issue, guys? Here I don't think there is any issue here. str.join, okay, I don't think there is any issue. So let me just check first. So I don't think there is any issue here. So it will be issue, I guess, of, okay, curly braces or parentheses only, I think so. Okay, I got the issue here. What is the issue here? So this is the issue, okay, this is the issue. So now we don't have any issue, so we have to expose this function also, capitalize text. So copy this and we will expose this now, give comma, paste it here. So now copy this from here, save this file, come here, okay, and now we will just grab it also, save it now. I'm sorry, copy this and just paste it here, save the file, copy this now, text, capitalize, and so just paste it here. And now, so now this is okay, we got the issue here. So let me just check here, there is the only issue here only. So no, there is no any issue. Okay, let's just save the data first, then we will get to know. Yeah, there is issue. So let me just check what is the issue here. So go to the console and text, okay, text at char, okay, so char at, okay, it's okay, it's char at, okay, it's char at. So now save the file and just add few contacts, add contact, okay. So now we don't have an issue. Here we can see here the name is now capitalized. Okay, I'll just say here Priya Kumari Sharma. So this email and this email, and just add contact. You can see here now the name is capitalized, Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, so now this is doing great. Okay, so let's just come here and come to the form only, and give you a shadow, not algae, say here only shadow. Okay, I can remove this shadow, we don't need shadow at all. Now this looks cool. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, delete the entire data, click OK, click OK, delete this entire data, click OK. So let me just see here, where is my text? Okay, where is my text? Okay, this text. Okay, where is this text now? LNG GTH, it's TH. So now here is the text. So there is a spelling mistake. You can see here there is a spelling mistake of length, so it's LENGTH, length. Okay, so now instead of P, let's just say here H2. So let's just make here display 2. This looks cool. And say here text warning, I can give here anything. Okay, no context yet. So let me just guys come here. I want to text copy the guys. Okay, text only. So I want to copy the text only guys. So yeah, copy this from here and paste it here. So save the file, and here is the contact manager using context API. Okay, so this looks cool now. Okay, so guys, we will just use here the footer component from the old footer only. So import, okay, footer, okay, from this copy this, and just now remove this counter component. We don't need this counter component at all. So now here is the okay, so just go to the footer. So here we will check something here. So here I'll just remove this. So import, okay, context from Terra, okay, from this 13 file. So now copy this and just now paste it here, and now this is the context. Save the file, and now we don't have any footer now. We will have the footer once we will have at least one element in our contact manager app. Okay, so now just save the contact. So here is the footer, code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let's just add here Priya Kumari, this dummy email, this dummy phone number, add contact. Okay, so now we can see the details also. Okay, so now we can see here Priya Kumari. Okay, so let's just close this, and we can see the details also. This is now dynamic now. Okay, so now come here, and now we will just so we will just guys do here one thing. We will create say here fa close. Okay, fa close, not I need fa close only. So let me just say here fa times. Okay, fa times. Okay, so just copy this, and now inside this span only I will just say here paste it, save the file. So here is the icon. Okay, so now we will just give here this spanner class. I just say here I can give here, say here my class. Okay, my class. Let's just define now. So I'll just define here const styles. Okay, styles, I'll just say here equal to like this, and now we'll just say here close. So close. Now I'll just say here position. I'll just say here position. Okay, position, I'll give here absolute. Okay, absolute. Okay, so we have to put here colon. Okay, position absolute. Top, I'll give you a top 10 px. I'll give you a float. Okay, float right. I'll give you a right of 20 px, and I can give you font size as well, 30 px. Okay, as of now just save the file, and now on this span I'll just say here style like this. So now this is style. Okay, this is style dot close. Okay, this close. Okay, this close. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the icon now. Okay, so let me just go to the inspect, and what is the issue, guys? Okay, so this is the previous issue. We don't have any issue at all. I don't want any issue in my code. Okay, I don't want a single issue in my code. Let's just add one more time, test it one more time. Is it a dynamic or not? Is there any issue? No, there is no issue at all. There is no issue at all. So now, so say here background color. Give you anything, it is going to consume the time. Okay, so I'll just say here display flex and justify. I'll give you a center. Align item, I'll give you align item, I'll give you a center. Okay, align content, I'll give you also center. I can give you a border radius, I'll give you okay 50%. I'll just give you a cursor. Okay, I'll give you a pointer. This is it. So let's just copy this entire things from here and paste it here. We will replace these things. Okay, we have to just fix few things. We just have to fix a few things, guys. So let's just remove this old data. We don't need this old data. We have to fix a few things here very quickly. Okay, guys, we have to fix this few things here very quickly. Instead of comma, instead of semicolon, we have to give you a comma. Okay, we have to give you a comma. Okay, so we can do like this. Instead of semicolon, we have to give you a comma. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, since I'm speaking since a long time, so my voice is like this. Okay, so I'm sorry for this. Make comma, make comma, make comma, and make comma, and now we'll just say here capital C, capital I, C, capital R. Okay, so capital S here also. So now the issue is resolved. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So let's just fix this. So top -16, give here -16, save the file. So here is the okay. So now we will just call the very same method on this button as well. So this method on click, okay, on click, here also on this span element, save the file, and now click this. See, okay, no, we call a different, guys, different method we call here. We call, this is the delete. Okay, this is the delete, guys. Now save the file. So now see, it is doing great. Now your data is now safe. Now remove the data, click OK, it is now removed. Okay, so just add a few things. Data is now added. We can see the notification as well, so we can see the now footer as well. Okay, so now okay, so just add contact. We can see here. Now let me just add here Priya Kumari Sharma and priya@dummy.com, and this any phone number, add contact, and added the data. Say here Prabhat Pandit, and this and add contact. Okay, so we can see the notification as well. Everything is doing great, everything is doing fine. We can see the details as well inside the dynamic modal also. See details. Okay, see details, okay, see details. We can remove the detail records as well. Okay, so cancel as of now, just cancel it. So let me just do here one more thing very quickly. I can just say here card. Okay, card. I can just say here, I can just give you the background color of, I can say here Doja blue, and I can give here the color not white, and I can give you the box. Okay, box shadow. So 3px, 2px, 20px, RGBA 0 0 comma 0 to 1. So put comma, and now style. Okay, so put comma here, and now okay. So I can say here style. So styles dot card, style dot card, save the file, and what is the issue? Style, or let's just say here make it different class, okay, or let's just remove this class first and just see first what is the issue, guys. What is the issue? Go to the inspect. I don't want any issue in my code. This is the and design issue, no issue, no issue. So here is the card. So say here color, background color, styles dot cards. Okay, so remove this color. What is the issue? We don't have any issue, guys. Still we got here any issue. Still, guys, why, guys? Why? So okay, here is the color. I don't need this color. So now it is here. Add contact. I don't want any issue, any bugs in my code. So now we can see here the okay, so background color, and let's just give here card class as well. So now this looks cool. Okay, this looks cool, guys. Okay, so I hope you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic from this video, from this session. Okay, and this looks cool, guys. Okay, so guys, you can guys personalize it. Okay, you can customize it according to need, according to your requirements. Okay, so guys, okay, this is all about from this tutorial, from this session, guys. I hope you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic. Okay, and guys, still you have doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this tutorial, then please, guys, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so please, guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please, guys, press the bell icon also. Okay, please, guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, please, like you can see, guys, I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and web programming. So please, I hope you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon as well. Okay, so thank you, guys, for watching my content, for watching my tutorial. I hope you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic. Okay, and guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Please, guys, subscribe now, please. Okay, please. And guys, still have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, and I will definitely try to give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so thank you, guys, everyone who has already subscribed my channel code with ER. Thank you, guys, thanks a lot, a lot. Okay, from core of my heart, from bottom of my heart. Okay, thank you, guys, who has already subscribed, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed my channel code with ER. Please, guys, subscribe now, and please promote me, and please support me. Okay, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, please, guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Please, guys. So see you, guys, in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.